Hi, I like to share some square root tricks here. It is very important and very easy also. If we have to find larger numbers, square root and all, it has so many difficulties and it only takes so much of time to waste. So if you know these tricks, you can find out very easily. See here, the first before we going to find the square root, you want to know about the square roots. The square roots always ends with it. Okay, it is ends with 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Is it very important? In case some of the number end with 2, 7, 8 means you can write directly it is not a perfect square number. Next, going with the quotient unit digit. Maybe the finding the square unit, the quotient unit digit is 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. If it is 1 means the only possibility is 1 or 9. How means 1? How to write 1 into 1 is 1 or 9 nines are 81. Okay, so the 1 means this only the possibilities. 4 means 2 twos are 4 or 8 eights are 64. 5 also only the possibility 5 only. 6 means 4 fours are 16 or 6 six are 36. 6 6 are 36. Next we take with 9 means the possibilities are 3 and 7. How means 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. It is the unit digit. Is it clear, children? Okay. Next we have to go with another one special case. Maybe the number ends with 0 means what we should do? Just think in the square root number quotient there is end with 2 0 means answer it comes 1 0. Quotient end with 4 0 means answer it comes with 2 0. That means it is half. In case quotient end with 6 0 means answer only 3 0. Maybe the question with 3 0 5 0 means what we should do? So which question ends with 3 0 5 0? It is not a perfect square number. Is it clear? It is some basic. Okay. After this we have to find 3 digit number, 4 digit number and 5 digit also. How to find easily square root I will want to share with you. I'll take an example like 729. Okay. Is it the 729? You say just see this unit digit. You take a 2 digits and see this unit digit specially. 9 means what are the possibilities? 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. Next 7. You have to check here which is the lower number. Before you going to find square root, you have to know minimum 1 to 20 square root compulsory. If you are knowing this, remaining find out is very easily. So 7 means where? Here 4 only 2. Okay, 2 possibilities. Then 7. In this 7 here upper level is 4, lower level is 9. Which is nearest to 7? 9 is nearest to 7. Here also if upper level near means you write the upper value. If lower level near means you write the lower value. Which is the lower value? 27. So 729 square root is 27. Is it clear? Next go with another one example. I take 441. Okay, 441. If you take 2 digit, the 1 means the only possibility 1. Next another one possibility 9 nines are 81. Now we have to 4. 4 is the exact square number. How many is there? 2 twos are 4. So you can write here 2. 2 is near to the same place, not upper lower. Upper only it's near. So what is here upper value? 1. So the 441 answer is 21. Is it clear? Next we go with, I'll take one another example, that is 784. 784. Now 4 means what are the possibilities is there? We have to take 2 digits. 4 means what are the possibility? 2 and 8. 2 and 8. You can write 2 and another one 8. Is it clear? Next see the 7. The same concept. 7 means 4. Perfect square number is 4. That is nearer to 2. Okay. Next what we have to do? 7 which is near upper value or lower value? Lower value. In this 2 which is lower value? 8. So you have to write 28. Is it clear? Next go with the another one example 961. Okay, 961 how to find? The same way. The number end with 1 means what are the possibilities? 1 and 9. What are the possibilities? 1 and 9. You just write 1 and 9. Okay, now this is 9. 9 is exactly we know 3. Okay, 3 squared is 9. 3 squared is 9. This is the upper value. In between anything is that this is upper, this is lower. But exactly 9 is upper value. You just write the upper value. Okay, this is 2 digit. It is very easy to find. Next we go with the 3 digit values. What are the three? This is we seen the 3 digit. Now we have to go with the 4 digits value. For example, I take one example, 707,744. This also take 2 digit. 44, that digits end with 4. That digit end with 4 means what we have to do? We want to know this. Okay, end with 4 means only possibility 2 or 8. So the possibilities are 2 or 8. Next 77. Where it will be the 77? In between 64 and 81. So we can take 8. Maybe the answer will be 82 or 88. 77. Which is near this side 13 gap. This side what it will be the gaps in 77? Only 4. So lower is closer. Here which is the lower? 8. So the answer will be 88. The same concept. Is it? Okay. Next we take another one example also. 9604. 9604. 2 pairs. It's a 4 means we know clearly 2 and 8. 2 and 8. In this 96. Okay, what will be 96? Where it will be? Here 81 to 100. So 96 is here only. So compulsory the answer will be 92 or 98. We have to check 96 which is very near 100 only, very near 100 is the lower value. Here which is the lower value? 8 only the lower value. So 98 it will be the answer. Next we go with another one example, that is 5929. Okay, 5929. Take the pair. 9 means what are the possibilities? 3 3s are 9. Another one you want to know means always this sum must be 10. Always this sum must be 10. You can see 1, another one is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 2, another one is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 4, another one is 6. 10. 3, another one is 7. 10. 5 also only one possibility. Another one is there means that also 5 only. The same way if you write 3 directly you can write 7. Don't want to think much more. Next 59. 59 means what are the possibilities? 7 7s are 49. So 8 8s are 64. We have to write 7. Next 59 is which is near? Here 10. Here only 5. So lower value. Here lower value is 7. So 77. Square root of 5929. The value is 77. Okay. Next we go with another one example, 4096. 4096. 6 means what we have to write? 4 4. Another one is 6. Easily we have to write because sum of 2 it's come 10. So 4, another one is 6. This is we make as a 2 digit. This also 2 digit. So 6 6 are 36. Again 7 7s are 49. 6. 36 means here see here. So 6 in this between 40 should come. In this between 40 should come. So here only 4 gaps. Here 9 gaps. So which is near upper value? In this 2 which is upper value? 4. So the answer will be 64. Okay. Some special case we have to take means it is 8100. 8100. I already tell you take 2 pair. 2 0 means answer will come on 0. 81 square root is 9. That's all. Okay. You don't want to think much more. In case here 40 is there means 40 means answer will be 20. That's all. Is it clear? Okay. Next now we seen 3 digit 4 digit. Next the same concept will applicable for 5 digit also. I'll take one example, 13225. 13225. Take 2 as usual last 2 digit and remaining digit. Okay. 5 means the only possibility 5. Okay, then 132. Go with check with her 132 where it is? In between 11 and 12. In between 11 and 12. The perfect square number after 121 completed. So we will take surely 11. Okay. So next see here we this distance or this distance both are equal distance only. So we will take the top value 11 1 5. This will be the answer. Okay. Next we go with another one sum, that is 10404. 4. 4 means we clearly knowing 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. Next this 104. 104 means 10 10s are 100. 11 11s are 121, which is equal 10. This is equal to 10. Next which is nearer, so 100 only nearer, so upper value. So upper value means 2. Is it clear? It is 100, it is 121. So 104 is near to 100. So this one will be the answer. Next we have to do another one example. 2 4 3 3 6. Okay, the same procedure, last 2 digit then remaining. So here 6, unit digit is 6. 6 means what are the possibilities are there? 6 means 4 6. Again 243. Where it is 243? In between 225 and 256. In between 225 and 256. Is it clear? So 243 means here should come 243. First completed 15. This only the first answer 15. Now we have to check 4 or 6. That's why we have to think the distance between which one. 243. Here how much distance? 22. Here how much distance? Just like 15. So which is near? This one. Lower value is near. Here which is near? So lower value 6. So this will be the answer. Okay, now we going to see all the sums, and we can see another one example also. 27556. 27556. 6 means as usual we are knowing 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6. Okay, next this 275. So 2 which is completed 16, 256. We take the same number or less than perfect square number. 256 is perfect square number 16. So 275. 275 is here. In between how much? This side it will come 14. This side how much distance is there? It is 19. So which is, this is near lower value. In his which is near lower value 6. So the answer will be 166. Is it clear? Like that method you can apply. You have to solve the square sum tricks. It's very easy. Try to apply and find the square root very easily. Thanks for all watching this.